Oh, we can open it. Oh gosh, I almost stepped on it. Can I step on it?
I would not step on it.
I did just say.
No, Moco-chan, can we climb up? Let's climb.
I don't think I can climb.
He was telling me to do that. A switchboard on the northwest wall. That's it.
In case you didn't know, ruffians, my allergies are very, very, very bad right now.
Moco-chan,
Hi.
we are not breathing at this
Oh!
moment.
What's happening?
Oh my goodness! Ah! Oh, boy. Oh, take it easy, take it easy. Maybe your clothing is...
Oh.
Okay. Oh. Let's see. Oh. Don't get us in trouble like that one soldier, okay?
Huh?